So we are now on the bonus section, which is a bonus funnel, because within System, you can't have a paid page within the website and blog. You have to set it up as a funnel, and anything that's taking a payment has to be made on an order form. Now, in order to set this up properly, we need to have created the event, which we've covered already, in the calendar. So in your calendar, you have an event that is created, and in that event you can see the name, the duration, who the host is, the image, the location. You can add a further description in, which will appear on the calendar page. Then you've got the time slots that are available that you can set. Now this is linked previously with Zoom or Calendly or Google Meets. So we've got an event, it's called a one-to-one executive coaching session. We save and preview that. It comes up with just a black and white version of what the calendar is going to look like. Obviously it's quite colourful on our actual page. So we then come back to the sales funnel and we come to the paid session calendar booking. So we now need to set this up, but we need to attach that session as a product so a payment can be taken. So if you scroll down, you come to digital product, and we're going to create one, and we are going to put this as the test coaching session. Right, and then we are going to add a resource. Now that resource for a session will be a calendar event, and that calendar event will be the coaching session that we've just looked at. Now we need to attach a price to it, and that price, let's create a new price plan. So we come down here and we are going to call that test coaching session. I'm just doing this to be quick, but you name it whatever you need. We're going to set it up as a one-time payment, but obviously there are other options, and we're going to put it at 300 USD just as an arbitrary price. Then when we click save on that, that should save and attach to the product. So let's just save again to be sure, and then we get the acknowledgement up here that the changes have been saved. So on our calendar, we should see a price point of a test coaching session at 300. So then we come in to edit the page, and on the calendar, the payment is on the second page, which you go up to the form and you come down. And as you can see, we've got the test coaching session. So that's how you attach a payment plan to an event and then add it to a calendar. So back on this calendar, if we go back to step 1, as you can see, we can edit the colours as before on the free one. We can change some of this text. I've added in text above, but you could add images. You can build out this page to whatever you need it on. If you need to duplicate this coaching session, you can simply come up here and save it as a block. So this will be a test block, and create that. And then you can use that in other places. But remember, it is an order form and it can be only used within the funnel. So I think it's all explanatory. Let's just check. We've got the calendar, and on the form we've got all the fields that are needed. Now, if you are only using PayPal, or if PayPal's on there, you must include the first, the last, and an email field for a PayPal payment to be applicable. But that's it. Good luck with your product.